Hi there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is a quick how-to turn data roaming on and off on Oppo smartphones, specifically Oppo smartphones running Color OS. In this case, we're going to do the how-to on an Oppo Reno 2, our current favourite Oppo device. So, first thing is unlock your smartphone. In this case, I'm going to use the underscreen fingerprint reader. And there's two ways you can access your settings. One is to find the cog at the very top of the notification shade, and the other is the settings button. So let's do it this way. We're in the settings menu, and if you're traveling and you're going somewhere where you don't have a reasonable pricing for data roaming, and you want to avoid those issues, you select your dual SIM and mobile network section in the settings. And then you double check that you have mobile data on or off. But what we're going to look at is specifically for SIM1, we're going to be looking for data roaming. Now, obviously, if you have two SIMs in the device and they're both enabled for data, you might want to switch both off. But in this case, the little switch here then gives you a quick modal warning you saying that turning on data roaming may incur roaming charges, so you can turn it on or flick it again to switch it off. So that's how you do it. Obviously, I'm on the 3 network, as you can see here. That means that I do not have to switch data roaming off when I go to places like the United States of America, Hong Kong, Singapore, as well as most of Europe. But the quick tutorial is, just to go through it again, go to Settings, go to Dual SIM and Mobile Network, go specifically into the SIM card you want to control, in this case SIM1, and then you have the switch for data roaming on and off. So that was our quick tutorial on how to turn data roaming on or off on your Oppo smartphone, done here on Oppo Reno 2. We also have similar videos for Huawei smartphones and Xiaomi smartphones, so check those out as well on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you do, please like this video just below at the bottom. And if you would like to leave us any feedback, leave us a comment. But for now, thanks for watching. Goodbye.